Google's AI image generator, Nano went viral last year. Then they made it better. Now they have made it faster and better at the same time. Nano 2 just dropped and it's rolling out to over 1 billion people this week. Here's everything that changed and why it actually matters for creators, marketers and anyone who makes visual content. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj and in this video, we are going to deep dive into Nano 2. Back in August 2025, Google launched Nano, an AI image generator built into Gemini. It went absolutely viral. Millions of images were generated, especially in markets like India, and people were obsessing over it. Then in November, Google released Nano Pro, a more powerful, higher quality version. Studio-grade outputs and more detail, more control, but slower. And now we have Nano 2. Think of this as Google taking the best parts of Pro and combining them with the raw speed of Gemini Flash model. Fast and good, both at the same time. That is their whole pitch. So what is actually new in this? Let me break down the 4 things that matter the most. Number 1, the real world knowledge. This is a big one, guys. Nano 2 isn't just generating images from patterns it learned during training, but it also pulls real-time information from the web. Basically actual images, facts, current events to make your render more accurate. Ask it to generate a specific landmark, a real product or a historical figure. It knows what those things actually look like right now. It can even build infographics and data visualizations from real data. Number 2, text rendering. If you have used AI image tools before, you know text has always been a disaster. Wrong letters, weird font and gibberish. Nano 2 has dramatically improved this. You can now generate legible, accurate text for things like marketing mockups, ads, posters and greeting cards. That alone is a huge deal for content creators. Number 3, subject consistency. You can maintain up to 5 characters and 10 objects consistently across a full sequence of images. So if you're building a storyboard, a product campaign, or a visual narrative, your characters and products stay looking the same way from shot to shot. No more regenerating the same character 12 times hoping it looks consistent. Number 4, resolution control up to 4K. Full control over aspect ratios, whatever you need for whatever platform you're creating for. Now let us talk about the reach of this. And this is where it gets very significant. Nano 2 is now the default image model in Gemini app across fast, thinking and pro modes. It is also rolling out to Google search via Lens and AI mode across 141 countries. It is available for Google Workspace users right now. It is in Gemini API for developers building on top of it, and for anyone who needs the even higher fidelity version, Nano Pro isn't going anywhere. It stays available for what Google calls high fidelity tasks requiring maximum factual accuracy. So you essentially now have 2 tiers, fast and excellent one for most use cases, slow and stunning one for when you need the absolute best. All images come with a Synth ID watermark, which is Google's AI content identifier, plus a C2PA credentials, which is the industry standard for labeling AI generated content. Now, let us zoom out for a second because I think there's a bigger story here. Google has been playing catch up in the AI image space for a while. Midjourney, DALL-E, Adobe Firefly, these tools have had head starts and dedicated user bases. But what Google has and nobody else does is distribution at scale that is almost impossible to comprehend. Google Search, Google Workspaces, Gemini app, Android, YouTube. When Google makes something the default across those surfaces, it reaches people who have never once thought about AI image generation. Your mom searching for a recipe, a teacher building a classroom worksheet, a small business owner in a country where Canva is too expensive. That's the game Google is playing. Not build the best image for power users, but build the most accessible, the most embedded, and the most everywhere image AI in the world. Nano 2 is that move. And with Pomeli's photoshoot feature also launching this week using Nano under the hood, the commercial and marketing use cases are already alive. Nano 2 is available right now. If you're on Gemini, it's probably already your default. If you're a developer, it is in the API, Google AI Studio, Vertex AI, and Firebase. And if you're a content creator, marketer, or a small business owner, this week just got very interesting for your visual workflow. So now you can go and try it out. Also, drop in the comment what's the first image you're going to generate with it. I genuinely want to see what people will make with Nano 2. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to stay updated with latest AI tools, news, and trends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.